Hi loves, I'm taking you through how I'm going to set up inspiration on my wallpaper here. My mini, I got everything transferred over for my apps, my widgets and all that kind of stuff, and it immediately hit me that it's really missing some mood boards or collages or something like that. I planned on revamping my Pinterest later this year, but it just kind of worked out to where I got this surge of energy to do it immediately, and so I went over there. I created 3 categories. So I've got a category for mood boards, typography, and aesthetic layouts. And these 3 categories are what is going to populate my wallpaper. So I'm going to install Pinterest app. This is new. This is my mini iPad 6 and I am getting used to using it. So I've got my Pinterest app installed. So now I'm going to close that and add a widget. And choose Pinterest. Oh, here, board. Add 2 boards. 2 large boards. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. And then this I want to take over here somewhere. But I want it down low. I want it down here, actually. And I'm thinking now that the screen is so small, I think I want to put it like up here somewhere, but I'm not sure. I don't know. We'll leave it like this. Okay, so I need to make my boards public and then I'll be able to access those. I gotta hold edit widget, board. Yes, aesthetic layouts, daily, yes, yes. Oh, it's so exciting. Widget. Typography. I might have to move a couple of these over to the next one to make space up here maybe for that. Okay, so I have aesthetic layouts. Is that what that was? Yeah, aesthetic layouts, typography. So let's add another one. Pinterest. Oh, a long one. Wait, long board. We need long board. Do they have a long board? Oh, they don't have a long board. Bummer. This one, yeah. We'll add. Choose mood board. Daily. And then put it in the middle. That's kind of cool because then all my, yeah, I've got like my Kindle, my magazines. That's actually kind of neat. Yeah, I've got my two major ones, like my Etsy and my Google Drive. Instagram, my life book. Kindle, Bazaar, Elle, Vogue. Yeah, so mood board, aesthetic, inspiration. So now we'll go over to the Shortcuts app and create a shortcut for my Pinterest page. And I want to create a link that's going to open straight to my Pinterest page. That way I can see all of my boards, and each board has its own URL. So obviously you could make this link go to that specific board. I might do that as well. I might have a link to each of the boards or just my generic Pinterest page, like my general landing page. I'm going to start out with that. And as I'm typing here, I realize I don't have the sticker as a photo that I want to use for the icon, so I'm going to have to convert that over and save it to my photos. So I'm going to try to find my star image from the Dominate kit. I really like a gold star from there, so let's find that and then save that to photos. And then we'll be able to add that as our icon. Choose image, choose photo, and select the star. I don't need to crop it. And then the only thing else I have to do is a couple of widgets. I want to do two different, I think they're medium-sized widgets. Okay, so I added my two widgets here. Both of this one is a freebie and this one is from my Savage kit, and this one is a stacked. So I've got, just my regular sticker here, and then this is my Pinterest feed, so it refreshes for more inspiration if I want that. And then I've also got my Pinterest star icon here for the link. I will also show you how it looks not logged in, so we'll go over to Safari. So when you go to it, you have the three different categories you can navigate through, so the aesthetic layouts, the typography, and the mood board. And so the way that I will be using these is for inspiration every day when I'm creating spreads, and so I will do another video on that, talking all about how I plan to use those. So I hope you all enjoyed this, and if you try it out, I'd love to see your take on it, and you can tag me at Raw Element either here or on Instagram. See you next time.